Setting up IDB custom prescriptions in the uDesign software. On the home page of the software, on the upper right-hand corner, go into your setting. Then click under the IDB tab into Prescription Configurator. Here, you can build up to 8 custom IDB bracket prescriptions. Simply left-click on the plus sign, name your custom prescription, and begin building your template. To find your bracket, you can utilize the drop-down menu on the upper right-hand corner, or if you know the bracket ID number, simply type it into the search bar. Once you have found your desired bracket, you will notice that the bracket can be previewed on the lower right-hand corner of your screen. This area is interactive. You can right-click and roll this bracket around. You can zoom in with your mouse wheel and zoom out to ensure that this is the correct bracket that you would like to use. To place the bracket on the model, simply left-click on the tooth on the left-hand side of your screen, and you will notice the bracket will automatically populate on the right-hand side. You can adjust the positioning of the bracket by left-clicking on the bracket, utilizing the yellow triangles around the bracket, or on the lower center of your screen, you can use the up and down arrows. Once you have completed your prescription, click on the Save icon next to your bracket prescription name. Then Save on the lower left-hand corner to close out of your Setting tab.